So, haven't done one of these in a while. Another unboxing here. Just got this, just literally got this in the mail. And I've been wanting one of these for a very, very long time. Finally got my hands on one on eBay. But it's a Singapore A380 made by JC Wings. And this is, like I said, something I've wanted for quite a while now. So let's open this bad boy up. I always like their new packaging. That's a pretty one there. As usual, reference card there. I like that they do that. It's different. Hefty plane. And there she is. Rolling wheels on her. That just looks, the detail on that is just fantastic. Definitely cannot beat that. I call that a win in my book.